A case that started in Western New York made its all the way to the U.S. Supreme Court. Well, it's yielded a decision about prayer in a public setting. The High Court ruled in favor of the town of Greece next to Rochester in the case centering on Christian prayer before its meetings. News 4's George Ricker takes a closer look at today's decision for us. George?
Well, many local town boards and even Buffalo's Common Council meetings begin with a prayer. And today, by a narrow vote, 5-4, the Supreme Court justices said that's okay. Writing for the majority, Justice Anthony Kennedy says its purpose and effect are to acknowledge religious leaders and the institutions they represent, rather than to exclude or coerce non-believers. The court called the prayers before a public meeting ceremonial and in keeping with the nation's traditions. Susan Galloway, who's Jewish, and Linda Stevens, an atheist, sued the town of Greece, saying their First Amendment rights were violated because the town board meeting prayers were mostly Christian prayers. But the High Court did not agree.
I thought what we were doing is as common as a pledge of allegiance to the flag when we open a meeting.
I think the Supreme Court has essentially given its blessing to majority rules prayer, and I think that's unfortunate.
Again, the Supreme Court says opening a town hall or city hall meeting with a Christian prayer is okay as long as it doesn't denigrate non-believers or religious minorities, threaten damnation, or preach conversion. George Rickard, News 4 at 5:30.